Waterman. Welcome to Unit 301 at Casa Playa.
Wendy Baum here at Casa Playa, Unit 203. Come in and take a look. You're gonna love this place. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, southeast corner unit, which is the highly desirable unit to be in.
Right over here, it opens up and you can directly walk to the beach, which I'll take you really quickly.
Check out that view from this beautiful condo, second floor condo. Actually, in the very southern part of Cocoa Beach.
I love the way they cornered the view here. This is a southeast unit, most desired, and the way they designed the windows is perfect.
So this part of Cocoa Beach, again, is about 4 miles south of the 520 Causeway. You're just a little bit north of the Pineda Causeway. You're situated right in between Satellite Beach and Cocoa Beach proper. So you're about 9 minutes from the Cocoa Beach Publix and about 10 minutes from the Satellite Beach Publix. You're also close to some of the best schools in the state of Florida.
This unit are impeccable from ceiling to floor. You've got your...
And another thing that I want to mention is this building, you are allowed to have an Airbnb, which is huge because most buildings in this area, you're going to have 3, 6, oftentimes 12-month rental restrictions. This is one of the very few buildings where you can have an Airbnb. We do have multiple units in this building also, so it's a great...
And we're going to walk into the master, which is my favorite part of this unit. So this is the master, great big windows here that you can see that kind of overlooks that back area. You're going to walk through this bathroom here and you've got some really gorgeous built-ins into the closet. You've got the yours and theirs closet here and hallway, and it really opens up to a great kitchen and living room area. And I'm gonna bring you into this kitchen here. You've got tile flooring, you've got the ceilings here have great detail. Your kitchen area kind of overlooks the beach to the left, and then you have still that river view that I showed you up front to your right. So here we have the beach crossover. Again, walking distance right to that unit here.
So again, this is Brandy, Felina, Wendy, and Greg Zimmerman with the Baum team at Sothebys, and we are signing off. Thank you so much for attending our virtual open houses of our units available here at Playa Club.
Bye,
Bye
thanks
guys.
for coming.
Bye.